welcome back to my channel with Lupita Aide. Thank you for watching this video again. I am a single mom of 4 beautiful children, and I am currently working on my debt-free journey. Today it's Friday, and it's time for me to draw one more little paper for our 52-week challenge. So if that's what you want to see, keep watching this video. So as you guys know, I have 2 separate containers, because on one I have the low numbers, and on the other I have the high numbers. So depending on my situation, that is the jar I draw from. So if you are interested on doing this challenge, you are not late to start. We are on week 5, and like I do is you guys can start by drawing, or starting how it goes, by $1 and then $2 and then $3, and like that. It won't be hard to catch up. You're still on time to catch up. If you like this chart, I do have it on my Etsy shop if you're interested. My link is down on the description box below. You are more than welcome. It's only $1 to download it. And some of you have liked it, and I decided that I will upload it on my Etsy shop. So if you guys are interested on purchasing it. Okay. And then someone else asked, because it's true, a lot of us, including myself, we get paid bi-weekly, or every 2 weeks, or only twice a month. So this person suggested to do the 26-week challenge, which I did. This is the 26-week challenge. And I didn't know what amounts to do it with, because see, the 52, it's like 1, 2, and it goes in order, right? And we at least get 1,378, versus the 26-week, it's like I didn't know what amounts. So at the end I decided to go by 3s, 3, 6, 9, and then you just keep adding $3 as you go per week. And so the amount you will get is $26 a week. Again, I could have done 5, 10, 15, and so on, and probably got, way more at the end of the year. But I know that a lot of us, most of this community is doing like low income, or it's only one income. So I'm thinking towards that group. If you want to do like 5, 10, 15, you are more, that's another idea. Others do like 10, 20, and so on. But this is, again, for the 26-week challenge that I'm gonna start today. So because we are on week 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm gonna draw 5 for this one. Again, we're not too late to start any week challenge. We're not late. So I wanted to start another challenge. I didn't know what was it gonna be. I didn't know what kind. And since somebody suggested the 26-week challenge, I was like, maybe I can do that one. And then at the end of the year, I'll still have like 2,400 around there, which is still good money, start off the year with a little cushion, money cushion to start with. It doesn't sound bad. Anyway, a lot of blah blah blah. Let's get to the main thing, which is drawing our numbers. I'm gonna do this one first, just because it's only one. I have to draw one, and I already have them ready. And then for this one, I'm still gonna write down the numbers, and I wanted to do it with you guys, so we'll leave that at the end. Okay, so I'm ready. Let's go ahead, and this is my small numbers. There you go. $8. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, so I'm gonna use blue. There you go. And this is going to the trash. So this is where I'm putting my money. I was gonna start writing them down on my budget sheets. These are my oopsie sheets. They have a little bit of, you know, details that they're small to begin with, too small. Anyway, I was gonna write my amounts here, but I was like, no, there's no point in writing them since I already have this chart anyway, and I'm coloring as I go. So let me just put in my $8 in here. Okay. Okay, $8. Very, very old dollars, but it's okay. Money, it's money. All right. So how much do we have so far? Let me just put it together. There you go. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, $56 to be our 5th week. There you go. I don't know, do you guys think I should keep track of it here? What do you guys think? Like if I can put week 1, 2, 3, and then just put the balance, like the date, week 1, and balance. What do you guys think? Leave your comment down below. Should I do that, or should I just keep track here? What do you guys think? What would you guys do? Now let's do our other one. Let's put this one away. And for this one, I'm gonna use this envelope. I'm gonna do the numbers, and I'm gonna use these 2 containers. Same thing, I'm gonna do 1 container for the small amounts and the other one, so I'm gonna do 13 and 13, and the other one for the bigger amounts. So so now that we have all of our numbers, I'm gonna fold them up. I had folded them already. I had to redo the first batch because I wouldn't remember what number I did, and then I didn't put the dollar signs on some of them. I wouldn't know if it was a 6 or a 9 or a 13 or a 31 or so I had to redo them, and I didn't close them in case I had to go back. But yeah, this is a very fun challenge, you guys. I mean, you guys can draw from whichever cup you guys want, depending on your situation for that week. I do put the low amounts on one and then the larger ones on the other. So this past 4 weeks, I've been drawing only from the low amounts. because I have been very tight on money. But it has also been my fault. I haven't been strict to myself. I'm gonna draw, I forget what jar is which jar, so I always have to open one before I draw. So this time I'm just gonna put tape to our cup so I know what is it. And these are just like last minute ideas that I come up with, like putting them in 2 jars and all of that. It's like, anyway, so let's do our 26 challenge. So this is my high amount, this is my low amount, and I'm gonna draw from my low amount. Again, for this one I'll be collecting at the end $1,000 with $53, okay? And I am doing by $3, so 3, 6, 9, and so on. And I'm starting with $15, okay? So this one's gonna go to the trash. And I'm gonna color my 15. Hopefully I have the 15. Okay. I was hoping to have change. There you go. So I'm gonna go to my envelope. These envelopes, by the way, they're also on my Etsy shop. Etsy link is on the description down below. So we're gonna put our money here. There you go. And that's what we have. So again, this is our 26-week challenge and our 52-week challenge. Let me know in the description box, what do you think? Which one would you do? Which one would fit your situation? The 26 challenge, which is every 2 weeks or twice a month, or the 52 challenge, which is weekly. So I'm gonna do these every Friday, and I'm gonna do these every other Friday. So this is it for our video, guys. I really hope you guys like it and you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing it with you guys. So until then, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Have fun.